Welcome to Phoenix 2020, a clear vision for the future of Phoenix. I'm Councilman Michael Nowakowski, and we're here at a special gathering of our village commissioners. And we have one of our village commissioners from Estrella Mountain, Lisa Perez. Lisa, tell us how do you feel being a commissioner, and what is it to be a commissioner?
I moved to the area about 2.5 years ago, and I really wanted to be involved in the growth of the community, and I figured this would be the best way to do it, to be involved. The commissioners are really at the ground level when a plan is coming into an area, and I have personally presented in front of all 15 of them, so I've known the process for a very long time. And working with my fellow commissioners, it is nice to see that we're developing the community in a really responsible way, and everybody has a passion for it. It's our community, it's our neighborhood, so it's really enjoyable to be part of it.
So commissioners are the first step. Planning village is the first step before building an apartment, a retail, a grocery store, or anything. You go through the planning village, and then after that you go through our planning office, and then after that it goes to the council. So there's 3 steps prior to that. So Lisa, thank you for being a commissioner, and thank you for all your volunteerism and making Phoenix the city to live in.
Well, thank you very much. I enjoy it.
We're here with a local business owner in downtown Phoenix, right off of Roosevelt Road, Wayne Rainey. Wayne, so why is it important to have local businesses involved in the villages?
Well, I mean, what we're trying to do in downtown, in our area, is really bring back an authentic walking experience. You know, we've had a magnificent city for a long time. My family's been here 3 or 4 generations now, and we used to have a great walking neighborhood feel to our downtown. We kind of lost our way somewhere along the way and turned into a more suburban city. It's really important to have that urban, friendly, locally owned business district, because that really becomes your second family.
Right. And you know what's so important is that we got great restaurants that are local. So why don't you tell us about your place? And it's a time to advertise, right?
Well, I own the Monarchy building. I don't own the restaurants that are in it, but there's 2 restaurants. One is already open, B Coffee. They do a great breakfast, 3 meals a day, and then they're the same proprietors there are getting ready to open a concept called the Dressing Room, which will be
Oh wow, what's that?
well, it's a little building attached to the Monarchy that's kind of in a quiet little 500 square foot building, and that'll be a great addition. They're going to deliver on bikes around the neighborhood. They're going to have a liquor license there as well.
Okay.
They plan to do on-street dining and a rooftop deck. So a little 500 square foot building turns into quite an asset for the neighborhood in the long run.
So Wayne, where's the location at?
It's 214 East Roosevelt. It's right there on
2nd Street in Roosevelt.
right.
You can't miss it. Beautiful mural.
It's in the heart of Roosevelt Road.
Alrighty, we're here with Andrew Cunningham from the South Mountain Village. Andrew, why is it important that people volunteer to be commissioners on villages?
Well, in my case, because I represent a number of different people in the community, I wanted to be there on behalf of them, to be able to represent them in our city and be able to find out what's going on in our communities, to make sure they're safe for our kids to live in, making sure we have schools, making sure we have all the needs that we need met in our community, so that we didn't have to leave our particular community to be able to have to travel outside to find the things that we needed. And that's really what a neighborhood or a community is. It's like a little city within a city.
Right.
And that's why I got involved so many years ago, was just to be involved and find out what was going on.
Well, Andrew, thank you so much. But Andrew's not just a commissioner; he's also a pastor. So if you're a pastor, if you're a teacher, if you're just a mom that stays home taking care of kids, or a father that is retired and staying home, or a part of the community, be a part of this, commissioners. Be a part of the village. Call us. We have boards and commissions that we need individuals to volunteer. We need to hear your approach. We need to hear your concerns, just like what Andrew talked about. He wants to make sure that South Phoenix, South Mountain is the best place to live, and that you have all the amenities. So if you want to be a part of Block Watch, if you want to be a part of the villages, if you want to be a part of whatever it is, call our office and get involved, because that's what it's about. It's about this Team Phoenix approach. It's about coming and giving back to the community that we live in. And it's about not volunteering, but being a part of the community. Thank you so much, and we'll see you next time on Phoenix 2020, a clear vision for the future.